Namaste. In this video, we are going to learn in brief about Bauddha Darshana. Bauddha Darshana is based on the works and ideas of Gautama Buddha, who lived in the 5th century BC. It is one among the Astika Nastika Darshana and it is a Vaidika. The doctrines of Gautama Buddha were propagated by his followers in the books in Pali language, namely Dhammapala and Tripitaka. The Tripitaka included 3 contents: Shuddha Pitaka, Vinaya Pitaka and Abhidhamma Pitaka. These followers were of 2 groups, Mahayana and Hinayana. The Mahayana branched into Yogachara and Madhyamika, and the Hinayana branched into Sautrantika and Vaibhashika. So what are the major doctrines of Bauddha Darshana? It is an Anishvara Darshana, that is, it does not accept the existence of God. They believed in Nirvana or Moksha. The path of Nirvana is as follows: Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Sangam Sharanam Gacchami, Dharmam Sharanam Gacchami. It means that surrender to Lord Buddha, work for the welfare of the community and always follow Dharma. This will lead to Nirvana. 4 principles were popular. They are: life is Dukkhamaya, that is, it is full of sorrow or difficulties. This Dukkha is caused due to Trishna or desire. Trishna Nigraha can help in Dukkha Nivritti. To avoid Trishna, follow Ashtamarga. The Ashtamargas include Samyak Jnana, that is appropriate knowledge, Samyak Kama, appropriate desire, Samyak Vak, appropriate speech, Samyak Karma, appropriate action, Samyak Vritti, appropriate profession, Samyak Prayatna, appropriate efforts, Samyak Smriti, appropriate memory, and Samyak Dhyana, or appropriate concentration. 2 pramanas were accepted by Bauddha Darshana: Pratyaksha or direct perception and Anumana or inference. They accepted Kshanabangura Vada. This states that everything is momentary. An entity is created in the first moment and in the second moment it exists, leading to its destruction in the final moment. This is explained as Sarvam Kshanikam Kshanikam. It means that whatever we experience in this world is never permanent. They also explained the Santanavada, which means to continue. The process of creation, existence and destruction is a continuous cycle. This also includes the cycle of rebirths. They propagated Shunyavada. Lord Buddha stated that the whole world is Shunya, which is not to be understood as nothingness or nihilism, but as subtleness or even as oneness. The whole world as we perceive is not the truth. Lord Buddha preached to his followers to look beyond the world as it is and assimilate the Sukshma entities or the subtle energy. But some sects of the followers have misunderstood this Vada as a representative of nothingness. In Ayurveda, the Kshanabangura Vada is slightly modified and explained as Swabhavo Paramavada by Acharya Charaka. As I mentioned in a prior video explaining the Shloka Ragadi Rogan, Buddha is considered as the Mahavaidya by several Acharyas, including Acharya Vagbhata. Both Ayurveda and Bauddha Darshana propagated ahimsa or non-violence. There are several other similarities and cross-references of Ayurveda in Buddhist texts, which are beyond the scope of this video. I will leave the links for some articles of the same in the description for those who would like to know more. If you would like to see much more videos, like this video, subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.